Hello friends, welcome back. So now we'll solve this particular sum. Determine Z and Y parameters for the given circuit. Now for this circuit, I will observe it carefully. I can't do anything. I can't apply star delta or like that. So I have to go with the normal procedure. So first of all, I will find out Z parameter. So let us start. You can analyze this circuit. Here you have three meshes. Okay, so I will assume IA. I will assume the mesh currents IB, and over here I will assume it IC. Okay, three currents I have assumed. Okay, now you can write it IA equals to I1. Okay, IB equals to, this is going in opposite fashion, so minus I2. See, IB is going in like this direction, it is going in a clockwise direction, and I2 is going anti-clockwise, so that's why minus I2. Remember this. And my and my IC value is, as you can see, directly current source is given. My IC value is going you can say clockwise, and my 2V3 value is going anti-clockwise. So similarly, IC is equals to minus 2V3. This is dependent source. Okay, so now let us find out, let us apply KVL to mesh 1 by applying KVL to mesh 1. So let us apply, this is my mesh 1. Let me apply KVL. So 1 IA plus 2 IA minus IB equals to V1. Positive to negative is negative. Okay, so minus 2I2. Okay, so I have applied 1 IA plus 2IA minus 2IB is equal to V1 minus 2I2. Now this is 3IA minus 2IB. Shift it over here. Minus 2I2, I will take it here. Positive I2 will be equals to V1. Now substitute the values. IA equal to I1. So 3I1 minus I2. This will become positive IB, because IB is minus 2 minus I2. Okay, so minus and minus will become positive over here, and this will become 2I2. Okay, and this is also 2I2 equal to V1. So 3I1 plus 2 plus 2 is 4. I2 will give me V1. Perfect. So you got the value. So you know, we compare it with the standard equation. Standard equation says V1 is Z11I1 plus Z12I2. Comparing, we got the values for Z113 and Z12 will be 4. Remember this, we got this value. Now going forward and applying KVL to mesh 2. Let us start. KVL to mesh 2. Let's quickly write. So as you can see, now you need to observe this carefully. Okay, 2IB minus 2IA. Okay, I'm directly writing it. 2IB minus 2IA again. As you can see, my 2 ohm resistor is again between IC and IB. So we'll write plus 2IB minus 2IC equals to, positive to negative is minus V2. Okay, So this is my equation. I have expanded it directly. You can write in this fashion and expand. Okay, so 2ib plus 2ib gives me 4ib minus 2ia minus 2ic equal to minus v2. ib is nothing but minus i2. Okay, minus of i2, so I will get minus 4i2. ia is nothing but i1, minus 2i1, and ic minus 2. Your IC value I'll substitute over here, minus 2v3 is equal to minus v2. Okay, done with this. Now let us arrange it in proper fashion. i1, i2, i3. I will write here minus 2i1. Okay, minus 2i1, and this will give me minus 4i2. And let's open the brackets for this particular. 2 2s is 4, minus minus positive 4, so plus 4v3 gives me minus v2. Okay, is this perfect? Okay, now v3, I don't know the value of v3, so I will get v3 from here. So v3, how to get v3? So v3, as you can see, it will come as twice of ia minus ib. Okay, so it will be 2ia minus 2ib. So v3 value is nothing but 2ia minus 2ib, because it is the voltage drop. It is given in the question. It is the voltage drop between 2 ohm resistor. Okay, so I have written as 2ia minus 2ib. I will substitute over here and let's see what we get. Minus 2i1 minus 4i2 plus 4 v3 in place of v3, 2ia minus 2ib equal to minus v2. Now let us write ia is i1 and ib value is minus i2, so minus minus will get positive 2i2. Okay, so like this we are gonna get. So this is all, it's minus v2. Perfect. Now let us multiply it. 8i1, 8i2. Okay, I have multiplied this inside the brackets, plus here 2i1 minus 4i2. Okay, plus 8i1 plus 8i2 is equal to v2. Perfect. Now i1, 8 minus 2, 6i1. Perfect. Sign of the greater plus, and from i2, 4i2 will come, plus 4i2 is equal to minus v2. Perfect. Now what is my next step? Multiply it with minus sign. So minus 6i1 minus 4i2 will give me v2. I will get the values. Okay, you will get the values. So comparing with the standard equation says, you know the standard equation, v2 is equals to z21 i1 plus z22 i2. This is your second standard equation. Compare it and get the value of z21, which will be minus 6, and z22 will be minus 4. You got the values successfully. You got the values of z11, z12. You got the values for z21 and z22. Now you can say your z parameter is completely ready. z11, z12. It is very easy. z21, z22. Write down the values and you are done with the z parameter. 3, 4, minus 6, minus 4, and you are done. This is the value for the z parameter. Perfect. Now in the question we have to find the y parameter also. So simply write this. For finding out y parameter, take the determinant of z. So take this determinant. So I basically do it in a calculator. More setup, let me just take the calculator and do this particulars very quickly. So that's 2 by 2. Perfect. So 3, 4, minus 6 and minus 4. Come on. 3, 4, minus 6, minus 4. It's perfect. Let me just solve this and get back to you. 7, shift 4, matrix A, and we are done. Its determinant value says it's number 12. So this is 1 and 2. Okay, so it's, let me write this properly, or you will just properly written 12. Okay, so determinant value is 12. I will again, you can see this. Perfect, it's perfect. Okay, determinant value is 12. Y parameter formula, I will write it. Y parameter formula. If you don't know how to remember this, I have made a dedicated video how to get the y parameter. Okay, so let me just write y parameters formula. Y11 is z22 upon delta z, and y22 is minus z12 upon delta z, and this is minus z21 upon delta z, and here z11 upon delta z. So I will write it directly over here, and you have to properly calculate it. Z22, see the Z22 value, minus 4. Perfect. Take the calculator in your hand. Perfect. What is my Z22 value? Z22 minus 4. Type in your calculator minus 4 upon 12, because it's a del z. It is minus 1 by 3. Perfect. Write it, minus 1 by 3. Now second, for this value I will calculate, this is minus 4. Write it, minus 4 upon 12, minus 1 by 3. Perfect. Okay, again Z21 is minus Z21. Minus of Z21 will be 6 upon 12. You know that, right? 1 by 2. And this is minus 4 upon 12. Sorry, Z11 is, see, you can go wrong. So Z11 is there upon delta Z. So 3 by 12, which gives you 1 by 4. And this is, and we are done with the calculation of y parameters. So this is my y parameters value. I have done it orally. You have to solve it, because I know the formula. I can directly, you can do the sums very quickly. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you guys got this particular sum, and see you in the next video. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye, take care. Live your dream, live your life. Bye. Boom.